Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Sapna here. In today's video, I'll be showing how to make glow in the dark resin keychains. Here I'm using Epoke art resin, which is 3:1 ratio. You need to mix 3 parts of resin with 1 part of hardener. For that I'm adding this glow in the dark pink pigment. Pour the pigmented resin into the tumbler mold. Here I am using 2 colors. If you want, you can use as many colors as you wish. I am pouring the second color as shown. These are polymer clay fruit slices, so you can add them as shown. If you don't have them, then you can just sprinkle some glitters or some beads, etc. Allow it to completely dry for 24 hours before you demold it. For the second method, here I am using blue glow in the dark pigment. I mixed it with the resin. Take the silicone mold and then fill half portion with the clear resin and another half portion with the blue pigment. Here I have added some seashells, sand and starfish to enhance the look. Demold it after 24 hours. These are some of the wordings that I have taken a printout in a transparent sheet. You can get this done in any local printer shop. Cut out the wordings and place it on the keychain and then apply a coat of clear resin on top of it. Attach the keychain and this is how it looks after you complete it. If you like my videos, please do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe.